Okay, so you'll need a Phillips or star point screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool to get this job done. All right, so right behind the cargo net, you'll see there's two star point screws. So you remove the cargo net that just lifts right out, and you just take those two screws out right there. Now I did show you a screwdriver. I'm just using a drill. If you want to use a drill, by all means. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Of course, when you're tightening up, we'll talk about that after. When you're tightening, you don't want to over torque it. Otherwise, though, nothing wrong with using the drill to pull these screws out. And then this just lifts. You grab from the bottom of the seat back here and you lift away. And then it comes right out. Now the trickier part to getting this is the tabs on the back. Now it's not very hard. Actually, what makes this harder than it actually is trying to film and show the angle while I'm doing it. Because unfortunately, to get a good angle, I do have to make it sort of awkward. But if you're working on your own, it's actually not as hard as it seems. You just pop these two little clips out. As you can see, this flathead or a trim tool work just fine here. And once you pop those out, the cords just kind of feed right through. Then you go to the handle, and you'll see the cords just kind of wrap around. So sorry, I'm gonna get a better angle. There you go. And you just pull up from where it wraps around there, and then just pull. There's like a metal tab at the end, and it fits into the plastic handle. 1 second. Let me try and get a better angle for you guys. There you go. Yeah, and you just kind of just pull that out, and it comes out. See, it's just like a metal end piece tab there. All right, and again, this part a little awkward to do. I'm trying to get the angle at the same time too. If I wasn't worrying so much about the camera, trust me, actually it would be a little bit easier to do. It's just because I'm trying to keep it in the camera shot. It's very awkward to do, but it's not hard to do at all, as you can see here. So you just pull, as you see, I've pulled the tab out. And then you just lift the cord through and then pull that right out. And then you can pull those two cords, they'll just feed right through and sit right there. And now you get access to anything you need to do. If you need to move, let's say, the leather seat cover, you can take out these hook tabs. You can see where they hook at the bottom here, hook at the top, right up here, and then in the middle there. Not this part here and this part here, though. So reinstallation is just as simple, really. It's just feed the cords right through, and then you're just gonna hook and loop them, right? So you're just gonna hook them right back into the handle, and then loop them right around. Let's see here. Again, I'm just trying to get a good angle to show you guys. There you go. So just feed that right in. Make sure the cord is all the way up though, so it doesn't hook, and then just drop it in. Same thing. Feed that right through. Because this is a metal wire, this is a little awkward, but it's not terrible by any means. It's pretty easy. And then once you forget it's all hooked in there, you can drop the handle down and feed that right in. And just push those right in, just they clip. There you go. Pretty straightforward. Now when you go to hook it on, you'll see there's these two plastic hooks, and they hook on down here. So you got to kind of hook it, go at an angle, like just like that, and hook it in, slide it in, slide it down, and then just drop the backing plate. If all goes well, everything should just line up nice. You should be able to just put your screws, and then you're going to tighten them by hand or use a drill. I use the drill. Do not over torque it. You can potentially crack the plastic. That would suck, so don't do that. But I did use the drill. Just zip it along. So chance, just to give you a shot, see? And basically you're going to hand tight. Again, it's not like a torque spec or anything of these. Just hand tight, essentially. And then you grab your cargo net, and you see it's a little ball here that just plugs right in. And away you go. All done. Thank you everyone for watching. I do appreciate all the support out there. Don't forget to throw a like on that video if it helped you, if you found the information useful, anything like that. Make sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe, help the channel grow, and hit the notification if you want to see more of my videos. If you dislike the video, that's okay, no problem at all, but don't be a troll, alright? Make sure you put why in the comments. I mean, maybe I missed something, maybe I got something wrong, maybe there's something you feel better, or you didn't like how I filmed. Whatever it is, put it in there. I make these videos to help people out, so I can only make it better if I get the feedback, but I need the feedback. Just don't be trolling, alright? Otherwise, if you have any other comments, feel free to do so. I answer questions whenever I can. If you want to add something on there, if you have a helpful tip that maybe I didn't cover, I didn't even know about, make sure to put that in the comments as well. I want to thank everyone, and I will see you all next video.